Hello friends, today we're having avocado bites.
Sweet potatoes, also known as batata, are an excellent source of vitamin A. You can boil, fry, saute, and even air fry them. They complement many dishes. For these cups, I'm going to use white sweet potatoes, but the orange and yellow ones work just as well. Peel and slice the potatoes into thin slices by using a slicer or a knife. Add the slices to a bowl and prepare with your favorite seasonings. I use salt, garlic powder, black and cayenne pepper. Mix well and let sit for 20 minutes, which will allow the potatoes to get soft. Now, set the oven to 400 degrees and with a basting brush, evenly spread olive oil on each cup of a muffin pan. Now that the potatoes are soft, you can stuff them into each of the cups and bake for 10 minutes. Now, to make the avocado mash, simply slice an avocado in half, scoop with a spoon, and place it in a bowl. Mash the avocado, leaving it nice and chunky. Squeeze lime juice, sprinkle salt and garlic to taste. Add onions, cilantro, and mix again. Remove the muffin pan from the oven. You can get crazy here. I have added eggs, vegetables, shredded cheese, and even bacon to these cups. But today I'm only adding mozzarella cheese. Bake for another 4 minutes to allow the cheese to melt, and voila, they are done. Remove from the oven, let them rest for 5 minutes, and carefully place them on a plate. Add the avocado mash and enjoy.
Before I have a bite, I gotta make sure that I put some tahini in here. That's what's really gonna make it awesome. Take a look. Enjoy.